Good morning. It's September 28th, 2011. And let's take a look this morning at satellite. You still see clouds lingering over our region as this big upper level low that we've been talking about since last week continues to spin over northern Illinois and northern Indiana. Check it out here on our infrared satellite. See that spin? You see these areas of clouds continue to move through our area. Now, there are patches of sunshine across some of our counties, then there's clouds, then there's sunshine, then there's clouds. Same thing as yesterday. Parts of our region had quite a few clouds and other parts were mostly sunny. So that's going to be the story for the next 24 hours. We still think that most of the showers are going to stay to our north. Can't roll out. I put in about a 20% chance across mostly parts of Illinois and in the northern parts of West Kentucky and Indiana for a stray sprinkle or shower today, but we're really not looking for widespread precipitation, so not a big deal. Eventually this will be kicked out of here, and I'll show you that. Let's take a look at current temperatures this morning first. Lower to mid 50s, fairly cool for late September, but it is getting that time of the year. We expect cooler weather, so not a big surprise there, but it is comfortable and it's sort of fallish outside, so enjoy the morning. Let's take a look at the NAM, one of the models I talked to you about from time to time, and here again is the low pressure area, upper level low to our north, and watch how that just sits there and spins. And you see that the model tries to paint a little bit of precipitation in here. This pink area, that's rainfall. Just trace amounts and really not a big deal, but we did include it in the forecast just in case a few sprinkles develop. And then this is on Thursday, and you see another system moving in from the northwest, a upper level shortwave trough, and that's going to finally kick this other upper level low out of here. And you see here comes that Canadian high pressure that I've been talking about in my videos all week. Once this moves to the southeast, cooler air will follow. Here it comes. You see there it continues to move south and east. This is on Friday morning, and as this passes through, maybe some gusty winds Thursday night and Friday, but when that high pressure moves in, expect temperatures to be in the 60s for Saturday and Sunday, with lows Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night down into the 40s. Possibly the coldest night of the season. We had about 3 or 4 weeks ago we had some cool air, but this may be even cooler. So this is by Saturday morning, early about 1 a.m. and you see the low pressure or the high pressure up here in Minnesota and Wisconsin in this broad area of high pressure over the central United States and Midwest, Great Lakes. That is going to be our cool air. Let's take a look at this on the jet stream view. And here's our big upper level low spinning. Here we are in West Kentucky. Here's southern Illinois. Watch as I put this in motion. That starts to get kicked out as this short wave moves in. This trough moves in from the northwest. It's going to kick it out of the way, finally getting this thing on the move. It's been there for days. And there it goes, and that's your jet stream coming in from the north and northwest. That means cooler air. Anytime you see a jet stream like that this time of year, fall, winter, you're going to see cooler air move into our region as the air moves in from Canada. And there we go. It's Saturday morning, and you see all that being kicked out, the upper level low and the trough, and cool air coming down from Canada. And the Canadian high pressure will bring us a nice weekend. Dry, maybe a little on the cool side for some of you, but not too bad for this time of year. Let's look at the 500 millibar winds, and we see again that big upper level low. Look how wound up that is with all the isobars. And there comes the short wave in from the northern plains, and boom, kicks it right out of there and through the Great Lakes into the east. And you see the big trough here. This area here, big trough with these winds. Follow me here from Canada coming down through Minnesota, Wisconsin, straight into our area. So a lot of cold air advection moving in. Basically, it just means cooler air replacing the mild temperatures we have now. So it will be a cool weekend, but it should be dry. So if you have outdoor plans, the good news is it likely will remain dry. If you'd like to check me out on Facebook, it's just under Beau Dodson Weather. Hit the like at the top of the page and you can follow along. We've got a weather radio we're giving away today. Just find the thread on that and add your name, and you'll be placed in the draw. Have a good week.